One step and you're a goner. Just a drop off. Oh god. So we're a little lost right now, but we're just following our instincts. Trying to get back to the car, and the rest of the day I'm gonna be shopping downtown probably. Just doing a morning hike. It's probably like 11 o'clock right now, and it's been a great morning, spending time with family and the dogs and just getting out in the wilderness. I love the wilderness, love going hiking. Definitely my favorite pastime. Frees your mind, it's just so relaxing and it's just so fun, and you get a good workout too, so I'm really happy I got to on this hike today with my family. We saw lots of waterfalls, went over lots of bridges. Super beautiful. And also I just got this new top. I got this new top from Forever 21 and I actually love it. It's like a little hiking sports bra, but it's like a shirt. So it like fits me really nicely, and I'm definitely having a wonderful weekend in Vancouver, spending time with family. Just like more like away from my phone and just out in the wilderness, going shopping with family. Just having so much fun. So if you're in Vancouver and you love hiking too, just hit me up. Like, I'd love to go for a hike. I'll come over from Victoria. I'm always down to try new hikes and get outside and just go for a great adventure. So yeah, message me and tell me your favorite hikes. Either Victoria or Vancouver. Literally let me know.
Hi Poppy, what you got there? What is that? Is that your toy? Is that your rock?
We're like completely lost right now. We're just walking around trying to get back, and what? I'm gonna say something. Just a little story time. My dad, when we were in Hawaii, we had to get search and rescue party because he was trying to come find us, and he got like stuck on this huge mountain. He didn't know where the fuck he was. It turned dark and it started pouring rain, and it was just so funny. We were there for like hours just looking for my dad. We were so scared. We went to like this like beach party thing, and then he was like going to get the car and pull it around and then come find us. He went through like this jungle area, and he got so lost he didn't know his directions, and it turned dark and it was pouring rain, and we had called the cops and the fire people had to come up and rescue him. There's helicopters, like it was crazy. This is all in Hawaii. We're just trying to get down. This is what happens when you don't follow the trails. But you know what, that's okay. Hey guys, so we're just putting on my makeup and I'm getting ready. We're gonna go shopping today, me and my cousin. We're gonna go downtown Vancouver, and I'm super excited. It's gonna be awesome. Just comfy, getting ready. I'm gonna take out my braids. I just have to fluff it up and put some hairspray in. So I just took out my hair with braids, and this is what it is without any product. I'm gonna fluff it up now and show you the final look of my hair. Okay guys, so this is the final look for my hair and my makeup before I go downtown Vancouver. We're gonna go shopping. Just fluffed it up a bit with some hairspray and put on some nice peachy lipstick. did you just get from Scoop Coletti?
I got a bracelet and a dress.
Nice, you excited?
Yeah.
Where are we going today? Shopping. Yeah. What kind of shops do you want to go to?
Maybe Nordstrom's and Aritzia and Topshop.
Oh, Nordstrom's right there. Do you want to check it out? They're trying some clothes here. Urban Outfitters. When you don't want to take off your shoes when you're freaking changing. Thank you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. She's gonna be trying on some sexy lingerie for me, and I'm gonna tell her if it looks good enough for her boyfriend. It's not very sexy clothing, I know. It's the dream, the ultimate dream. Ultimate dream, guys. Hopefully this summer will be better than Park Royal. But look at this fashionista. Was your shopping successful, Coletti?
Yeah.
Yeah. And I can't wait to show you guys what I got today. Super excited.
That is cute. Yeah. Make a tighter top. Then it would be okay. Then it's cute, yeah.
See, it's like stretchy.
Yeah. Did good?
I'm gonna get the jeans skirt. Hello, girls.
Hi. Hello.
What did you guys help me with today?
Found some great clothes.
Yeah,
Got a denim skirt.
we did.
Tops.
Super cute.
Orders. Orders to step in.
Do you guys have any plans for this weekend?
I'm working. I don't know about this lovely gem over
I want to go
here.
to the beach.
Yeah, it's gonna be
Outside.
beautiful.
So,
Yeah. Today was a little cloudy, but maybe tomorrow.
yeah, hopefully tomorrow.
Awesome. Thanks for helping me out, girls.
Thank you.
This is the Aritzia in Park Royal. I'm gonna be heading home today back to Victoria. Just a little visit into Vancouver, just a little getaway. Our family needed it. We haven't really had a lot of time together since that I moved out. So it's been really nice and I've had so much fun. Really happy. Today is such a gorgeous day, you guys. Like the sun. So nice out. I encourage you guys to get outside and yeah, go enjoy this natural beauty we have right now and spend time with your loved ones. Have a great weekend, you guys. Thank you.
Breezy. Breezy, come here, come here. Cross the water. Oh.
This is what happens when you stay at your Italian family's house for the weekend. I know, but you cook like an Italian.